Hello ladies, and welcome back to Planning with AJ. Today we are going to be doing a quick little flip through of my new micro traveler's notebook that I'll be using as a wallet. My camera doesn't want to act right today, I apologize. So please, if you'd like to see how I've set this up and what's inside it, stay tuned, and please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below. Okay, so this TN planner is fabric, and it's a micro size. It came from PoutyPuppyPlannerz on Instagram. I want to order a Foxy Fix, but I wanted to make sure that I like this size first. And now that I have it, not sure if I need to order a Foxy Fix. I actually love this. I love the design. I just think it's cute. So let's start. Like I said, I will put a link below for a link for her website. On the outside here, I just have a bicycle charm from Michaels. It has a black elastic band on the outside, and it has 4 bands on the inside that are elastic. Okay, as we open it up, the inside of it is white, and it does come with a pocket right here. I will say that she is very, very timely. She answers your emails promptly. I had actually ordered a different one that was a unicorn, and I had slept on it all night, and I realized I really like this one better. So I sent her an email asking her could she change it. And when I was sending her the email and looking at the traveler's notebooks, I noticed that they were shakers on the outside. So I asked her if she could please not make it a shaker on the outside, if she could make the white inside for me, and she did it with no problem. It didn't delay my order or anything. So first we'll start off. Here is a little pink bow that I got off Pinterest, lipstick that I got off Pinterest, and this this little lady here in her PJs came from TheHoneyBShop spring digital print. This is my first dashboard. I made these dashboards all by myself, just with laminating paper and a laminator. This paper is from a paper pad from Michaels. This young lady is from TheHoneyBShop spring digital print also. These little, I don't know if you can see her, but the little emoji, that is from Heidi Swap sticker. This awesome sticker is also from Heidi Swap, and my letters, AJ, they're from a Recollections sticker book. On the inside here, we have another piece of paper from a paper pad from Michaels, and this is a project life card. I cut the circle out and just put it here, and it is from a Calico pack that I found at Hobby Lobby. This is a little pom-pom I found from Hobby Lobby also. This is my first insert. All my inserts are from Annie Plans Printables, and I'll put a link below. The paper is, this paper is from a paper pad at Michaels also. And my first one is just a week on 2 pages. Well, it says week on 2 pages, but, you know, it's just something for me. I know it's tiny, but it's just something for me to write down, you know, what I have to do that day if I'm out and about. That's the back of that paper. This is the back of that dashboard. The paper is from another paper pad from Michaels. So is this little cutout. And the washi tape is from a Recollections tube. This is the back of that insert. Again, paper, the glitter cardstock is from Michaels, and just some the nice doily cardstock is from Michaels also. Just a piece of paper from a paper pack. I'm sorry, and then just this little traveler's notebook planner I found on Pinterest. My next insert is just a graph insert. The outside is a paper from a paper pad at Michaels, and Annie Plans Printable, and it's just a basic graph just for me to write notes while I'm out. And it was a collab with Monster the Monster Co. Or like I said, I'll link it down below. And this is the back of that insert. This next insert is my coupon codes. The paper is from the same paper pad that these came from Michael's. And it's just my shop coupon codes, shop name, code, and the discount. And that's the back of that paper. The next insert is my finances or my expenses. This paper came from the same paper pad this came from Michael's. And this will just have a list of my expenses in it. And that's the end of that. This next dashboard, like I said, I made my dashboards myself. The paper in the background is from the same paper pad as you can see. I didn't mean for that to happen. And then this printout, this girl right here is just a picture I found on Pinterest. I printed it out, cut it, and laminated it. The paper clip is from Michael's. The back of that dashboard is more paper from a paper pad at Michael's. And these two little die cuts here, I found them on Pinterest. I just printed them out and laminated them too. This is also, my next insert is my address book. And this paper is from a paper pad at Michael's. And my printables, like I said, are from Annie Plans, so it's just an address book. And that's the back of that insert. My next insert is for my passwords. This paper also came from the same paper pad at Michael's. I love Annie Plans printables. They're easy to cut out. They're just cute. I just love them. I have a bunch of hers. This is the back of that insert. In the back of that dashboard, the glitter cardstock from Michael's and the lip gloss die cut. I found it on Pinterest. Here's a pin loop. I still have to find a pin small enough, well, short enough to go with this. So I'll probably go to Michael's sometime today to find one. But this is a pin loop that I made myself. This lip gloss die cut came from Pinterest also. I find that I go on there a lot, or sometimes I just Google, you know, clip art on Google, and I find a lot of things too. This paper is also from the same paper pad at Michael's. This Happy Day is a happy planner journaling card. And this little lady is from a free digital from the TheHoneyBShop on her Facebook group that came from there. My last little thing here is a wallet, just a little like credit card holder. It's made out of paper and it was laminated, and I cut the slits. I found a tutorial for this on YouTube this morning actually. So it can hold up to 2, 4, 6, 8 cards. It can hold up to 8 cards. It was really easy to make, and I will put a link to that video below so you could see it. And then the back here, I just put a pocket, an adhesive pocket, and I stuck this die cut I got from Pinterest, and this die cut is from the TheHoneyBShop digital print also, her spring digital print. So that is it. Like I said, I love this. My cat's hair seems to get everywhere, so I'll be doing the lint brush on this. It's pretty thick, not as thick as my regular TN, but I like it. And yeah, this is my wallet now. I'm loving it, and I actually loved her so much. I think I will start ordering more of these from Etsy. I know everyone loves the Foxy Fic and the Speckled Fawn, but I just can't justify spending that much money. I might order one in the future, just one, just to say I have it. But like I said, this is beautiful, and I love it. I'm sorry about that. My camera just dropped on me. So, like I said, if you enjoyed watching this video, please hit the like button, leave a comment below, and make sure you hit that subscribe button. Thank you guys. Have a good day.